Package dimensions: 8.382 h by 20.32 l by 18.796 w centimeters. Easy clamp on mount. Country of origin: Taiwan. Package weight: 0.6 pounds. 5 round, clamp on. Textured black spot mirror with a wider field of view to assist in reducing blind spots for cars, trucks, vans, SUVs, crossovers, RVs and buses. Easily clamps onto any mirror brace or arm. Adjustable for maximum viewing and driving safety. Top reviews from the United States. Better view than original. Used this mirror as a replacement on my Steyr Puch Haflinger. I used the original mirror's base, clamp drilled the mounting hole a size or two larger for the new mirror's larger mounting screw. The new mirror worked out well with the convex mirror design.